Hi, good morning. My name is Juan Carlos Martin Sanchez, A01660734. During this week, I studied art. So then art it's considered like a way in which persons or people can tell the other ones how do they feel, how do they see the world, their emotions, their feelings about some situations, and how do they feel the environment or situations or other things. So then in this week I studied that art it's not only paint or taking videos or taking photos or making some sculpture. So then there's also another part of art that it's the art conception. In this part, the art it's different. The importance here is the message, the idea. So then the other part that needs the manual is not relevant or not as relevant as the normal art. So then, for example, in my case, I love or it makes me fun the mierda de artista. In this case, Peter Madivin mm, put a poo in a can. So then it's fun for me the message that the artist wanted to say is that everything that the artist could do can be considered an well a piece of art. So then in this case it's really fun and weird. So then it makes me mm, think that art is everything and art it's not something that it's uh, ruled or reads only a painting. Art is everything and in that way art is is something beautiful that it's a way in which life can be painted or can be demonstrated.